Jack and the Lost Giggles. One bright morning, Jack, dressed in his signature yellow t-shirt and blue shorts, was playing near the Giggle Tree with his friend, Pip. The Giggle Tree, known for its contagious laughter, usually filled the air with joyful sounds. But today, an unusual silence surrounded it. "Pip, do you notice something strange?" Jack asked, looking up at the tree's branches. Pip spun around. "Yes, Jack. The Giggle Tree isn't laughing. It's so quiet." Concerned, they approached the tree and found a trail of shimmering dust leading away from it. "Maybe this trail will lead us to the missing Giggles," Jack suggested. They followed the trail deep into the forest until they reached a gloomy cave. Inside, they found a grumpy troll sitting atop a pile of captured Giggles, each one glowing faintly. "Excuse me, Mr. Troll," Jack began politely. "Did you take the Giggles from the Giggle Tree?" The troll huffed. "Yes, I did. Their constant laughter was annoying. I prefer the quiet." Jack thought for a moment. "I understand that everyone has different preferences, but laughter brings joy to many. Maybe we can find a solution that makes us all happy." Pip added, "Perhaps if you experience the joy of laughter, you might not find it so bothersome." The troll looked skeptical, but agreed to give it a try. Jack opened his Giggle Lantern, releasing a soft, infectious giggle. Slowly, the troll's frown turned into a hesitant smile, and then he began to chuckle. "This feels nice," the troll admitted. Realizing the joy he'd been missing, the troll decided to return the Giggles to the Giggle Tree. Jack, Pip, and the troll walked back together, and as the Giggles were released, the tree began to laugh once more, filling the forest with its delightful sound. From that day on, the troll became a friend to Jack and Pip, often visiting the Giggle Tree to share in the laughter. He learned that while silence has its place, the sound of joy can be a wonderful addition to life.